Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you are going to get when you've reached level 5 with the Maltese for the animal bond level in Heartopia. So feed them a lot of food. They are going to leave in 9 days, so make sure you feed them a lot of the grilled mushrooms. I usually feed a little bit of meat and then I fill it with the higher stars mushrooms. So I'll be able to gain more points, I guess, with them. So this is what you're going to get. If you go to animals here, you'll see you get these two items, these upgrade rewards, and I already got it. It is this one over here. It is the Maltese friendship ornament. This is what it looks like. This one's super cute. And then you also get this one of the two of them hugging. I'm going to be so sad when they leave, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!